Tycorun Energy, established in 2019, is a professional battery solution supplier. It is a high-tech enterprise specialized in the R&D, sales of battery and solar power systems. Products are widely used in the civil and industrial fields, including energy storage battery, power battery, lead-acid replacement pack, LFP and NMC battery pack, and all kinds of customized lithium battery pack, along with home storage system, portable energy storage system, and uninterrupted power supply systems. The associated factory has a series of high-end testing equipment, such as battery test cabinet, power battery testing system, cold thermal shock test chamber, constant temperature and humidity chamber, extrusion tester, pinprick tester, overcharge and over-discharge test cabinet, which is mainly responsible for new product development, pilot production, and mass production process of product safety performance testing. Tycorun Energy has a professional and experienced team of technical experts and top-notch product designers. We have been winning great achievements on energy development. Products are exported to Europe, North America, South America, Africa. We strictly carry out ISO 9001-2008 quality system and ISO 14001 environment management system. With strong capital, large productivity, advanced technology, and professional after-sales, we'll stick with constant innovation, rapid development to build up a prestigious brand in the world. Company holds the principle of management customer first, honesty first, quality first. We wholeheartedly welcome your inquiry and strive to create more value for you.